Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now let's solve question number 2 of weekly contest 412. Okay, so in this problem we have to count almost equal pairs. Okay, so in this problem you are given an array nums consisting of positive integers. We call two integers x and y in this problem almost equal if both integers can become equal after performing the following operation at most once. Okay, so we have to choose two numbers x or y and swap any two digits within the chosen number. Okay, we have to return the number of indices I and j in nums where I is less than j such that nums of I and nums of j are almost equal. Okay, note that it is allowed for an integer to have leading zeros after performing an operation. Okay, so this is where our problem becomes a little bit tricky. Okay, so now let's understand how we are going to do this. Okay, so this is my nums array given to us. So here you see this 3 and 330 are almost equal. Okay, so 3 and 3 0. Okay, so what I can do here, I can swap this 0 and 3. Okay, so then this number will become 0 3. Okay, so 3 and 30, by swapping 3 and 0 in 30 you will get 3. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, this is one answer. And 12 and 21. Okay, so here if I just swap this one with 2 in 21, I will get this output 12. Okay, okay, so these two are the my outputs. Okay, so now let's see how we are going to do the code for this one. Okay, so here initially my count is 0. Okay, so here I'm just going to store the output. Okay, whatever the output that I'm going to get, then I'm storing the length of my nums array. Then here I am running two loops. Okay, so this is how I check. Now first I need to select this number, then I have to check this number with all the other numbers. Okay, then I have to pick this 12, then I have to check it with all other numbers. Okay, so this is how my loop is working here. Okay, so here inside this I am calling this method if almost equal. Okay, so if it is true, then I am incrementing the count. Okay, and here just for debugging purposes I have added this. Okay, so in the end I'm just returning count. Okay, so now let's see how this is working. Is almost equal. So okay, so here first thing that I'm doing here, I am taking two numbers and converting them to strings. Okay, then I am just going to normalize lengths by adding leading zeros. Okay, so here sx dot length is, if it is less than sy dot length, then I am just adding the 0. Okay, that number of times and adding that into my sx. Okay, same way for sy I have to do this. Then after that I am just calculating the total. I am creating one list of integers. Okay, different indices to get the different indices. Okay, then I am running this loop, and if any two characters are mismatching, I am just adding those indices here. Okay, these indexes. Okay, so if there are no differences, then definitely that means that the two numbers are equal. Then I'm just going to return true, then it will all do this operation. Okay, count plus plus and all that stuff. Okay, and they are almost equal if there are exactly two differences. Okay, so this is what we need to know first. That there are exactly two differences. Okay, if there are exactly two differences, then we have to swap them, make sure that strings are equal. So this is what I'm doing. So I need to make sure that this is true. Then after that I will try to swap. Okay, so after swapping I am checking if my string becomes equal to the other string. Okay, so if it is equal, then I am returning true, otherwise in the end I am returning false. Okay, so this submission is accepted. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with the question number 2 of weekly contest. Okay, so please like this video, share this video with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, bye bye.